Hello, welcome back to one of our training series. Today we shall be discussing how to make toilet wash at home. If you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do. And if you're yet to follow us on Facebook, please do. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali, and subscribe to Prince Yemi Kasali on YouTube and also follow Prince Yemi Kasali on Facebook. Today we shall be discussing how to make toilet wash at home. And to make toilet wash, we need 8 chemicals. To make 8 liters of toilet wash, we need nitrous soap, we need caustic soda, soda ash, hydrochloric acid, sulfonic acid, perfume, color, and clean water. So in order to make 8 liters of toilet wash, we need 150 grams of nitrous soap, we need 62.5 grams of caustic soda, we need 200 grams of soda ash, we need 1 liter of hydrochloric acid, 700 milliliters of sulfonic acid, we need perfume, that is 30 milliliters. Then we need color, 2 tablespoons, water, 8 liters. Before we go further, we need to discuss the precautions. Please do not make your preparation close to fire or any naked flame. Avoid direct contact with the chemicals. Keep chemicals out of reach of children. Keep chemicals away from fire or naked flame. And please do not taste any of the chemicals or even your preparation. So let's take it one after the other. We need nitrous soap. Nitrous soap is a cleaning and thickening agent. It's yellowish powder and it's also dissolvable in cold or hot water. We have caustic soda, also known as sodium hydroxide. It's a stain removal and a thickening agent. Caustic soda is a solid white or slightly yellow powder. Looks like sugar. Caustic soda can burn your skin upon contact. Do not let it touch your skin. It is an aggressive chemical. And when mixing it with water, it releases flame for about 30 seconds. So please take your nose away while mixing this particular chemical. Then we have soda ash also. Soda ash is known as sodium carbonate. It's also a cleaning agent and it helps in softening hard water. The most powerful chemical here is hydrochloric acid. It's colorless. It's a colorless inorganic liquid chemical, and when you open this or you pour it, it releases flame, and if you perceive it, it can shock you. And this particular chemical is the scaling agent. It helps in removing limescale or dirt away from metals, glass, and ceramic. So it's the most powerful chemical in this particular combination and is the most effective chemical in this preparation. So the more hydrochloric acid, the more dangerous your toilet wash will be, but the more effective your toilet wash will also be. Soda ash is also a cleaning agent, and caustic soda is also a cleaning agent, and it's also aggressive. But the real cleaner here is hydrochloric acid. Every other thing is just to help and also reduce the concentration of the hydrochloric acid. And sulfonic acid is also a chemical. It's a foaming and cleaning agent. When you're cleaning, it's the one that washes the toilet. You know, it's just like adding soap to a stain remover so that it washes it off. Or sulfonic is also a thickening agent. So then you add your perfume just to have a pleasant smell. Then you have your color just to have a particular look. In our preparation for toilet wash, we need nitrous soap. We also need caustic soda. We have our hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. We have our soda ash. Then we have our perfume. Then we have our color. So we need to get some water in your bowl, then add in nitrous soap, then you stir. So you stir your nitrous soap properly in order to have a well mixed solution. So after which you add caustic soda in a little water, then stir so that you have a very well mixed solution. After which you add that solution into the formal solution, then you stir properly to also have a well mixed solution. Sometimes you might have mixed your caustic soda in a bowl and make sure it's there for about an hour if you want a well dissolved solution. Then the next chemical is soda ash. We had our soda ash in water, in a little water. We stir up to dissolve a little before adding into the solution. So after adding it in the solution, you also stir properly. Then we'll be adding sulfonic acid and also stir properly. properly after adding this sulfonic. Then we had the major chemical here, which is the hydrochloric acid. So after which I'll be adding my perfume, then I'll be adding my color. Then we have our solution ready. This is all about preparing toilet wash. So we already have our toilet wash. We allow it to settle down for some hours, about 6 hours, before we pack our products for usage. Thank you very much.